just stand out. Like, it's not hard to do in these local markets because a lot of the local competition just doesn't know. And if you can see, we're actually beating the Cleaning Authority and Molly Maids, two really large national franchises that have millions of dollars of advertising before them, and so how are we beating them? Well, that's what I want to tell you guys. So,
grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
hey everybody, Brandon Shane here. Welcome back to another video with the Profit Cleaners. Thank you guys for being here. I just want to share with you guys today another sneak peek kind of behind the scenes. I want to show you guys our Google local maps listing and kind of just show you guys how this is such low-hanging fruit, meaning there's not a lot of local businesses that are fully optimizing this or fully leveraging the power of your local maps listing, Google My Business listing, right? So if you go over to Google and you type in, I'm going to go actually in my city, house cleaning Albuquerque, okay? House cleaning Albuquerque is actually the #1, I believe, searched term that we have for our market. So as you can see, you've got ads that are running right away. These are the franchises, but a lot of people skip past these. I don't know the number anymore, if it's 15 or 20 or 30% of people actually click through the ads. They definitely work, but what's even more powerful, guys, is this box right here, okay? The local maps, the Google My Business Maps box. And as you can see, we are #1, okay? And this is not even, searching in I'm not searching our brand name, I'm searching a very specific keyword. This is a money keyword, as we call it, meaning people are searching this with the intent behind it that they want house cleaning services probably very soon, right? So it's a really great keyword to rank for in your market, house cleaning, whatever your city is, right? Home cleaning, house cleaning, best house cleaning, all these variations, right? But really, guys, if you can start getting your maps to rank at the top like this, it is seriously powerful. And if you can see, we're actually beating the Cleaning Authority and Molly Maids, two really large national franchises that have millions of dollars of advertising before them, and actually we don't even have as many reviews as them. So how are we beating them? Well, that's what I want to tell you guys. So if you want to get the full scoop on how we're beating them, pick up our course. We've got a marketing course. We dive deep into the details of how to optimize your local maps listing, Google My Business listing. But really, I'm going to give you guys a few tips here, okay? So if you click into our listing, you're going to see that we have a very complete and fully optimized listing, meaning not only do we have, let's start with what does Google want, right? Google wants relevancy and content. They want high quality content, and they want it to be highly relevant. What does that mean? Well, it means if you're going to be uploading images, they better be super relevant to your business. And if you have reviews coming in and other content on your description, it should be super relevant about your brand, right? So how do you make Google really like your listing? Well, I'll just share a few quick tips, guys, because it's literally so easy to do some of this stuff, and a lot of local businesses just don't do it, unfortunately. And I don't know if it's just being lazy or they don't know that they don't know. But now you guys know. Okay, so if you go into our images here, we have got, I'm just going to scroll through the side here because it is literally hundreds of images. We've got literally hundreds of pictures that represent our local brand, pictures in houses, you name it. We've got pictures from customers, pictures in our office. We've even got some 360 photos in here, which is pretty cool. You can do that too. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to share all that with you on this video, guys. That's in our course, how you do the 360 videos, but that is super powerful because it makes it super, super relevant. Here's the 360 photos, so you can actually go through, click in here, and you can actually walk through our office if you want to, right? Pretty cool, right? So this is super, I don't know what you want to call it, but super advanced optimization stuff here. Let's just start with some really basic stuff. So what I was mentioning here on the images, okay? You'd be surprised how many local businesses have 2, 3, maybe 5 images on their local listing. And the way you access this, guys, is you go to Google, you type in Google, Google My Business, okay? Go to Google, Every business usually kind of automatically gets one. You have to claim your local business. So Google My Business, login. Okay. So you go here, Google My Business profile. You can go in here and manage your Google My Business profile. And that's where you can add all this stuff and change all this stuff and optimize it. So that's where you go in to log in. And I would highly recommend, if you haven't claimed your business listing, you need to go claim it like right away before some other business does or someone else messes with it. Okay, you got to claim it so you're the owner. But guys, the most important things you can do, just some low-hanging fruit, some tips here. Make sure you put lots of images. Okay, and if you can go the extra mile, here's another little tip here. Is before you upload these images, actually keyword title these images. So you have the image. You've downloaded it to your computer. Now you're going to title that image with a keyword. Okay. So if I had an image, I would, instead of it saying like image.jpg or whatever the bunch of numbers.jpg, which it normally is when you download it from a camera or a phone or something, you're going to download that and you're going to rename it, rename the file, and you want to just use a bunch of keywords. So what are the keywords that people use to find your services? Is it home cleaning, house cleaning? Is it green cleaning? Is it eco-conscious cleaning? Is it commercial cleaning? What kind of cleaning do you do? What kind of keywords are people using? Now we'll have another video about keyword research and stuff like that. But once you know those keywords, now you can title your keywords into your images and then upload them here. It's just another level of relevancy because now your images aren't just random name generic thing.jpg. Now Google sees best house cleaning Albuquerque.jpg, and then they see another one that's house cleaning services Albuquerque.jpg. And they see another one that's best green cleaning service or green cleaning services or eco-conscious service, whatever it is, right? And so just that right there is going to boost you up a little bit, right? You got a lot more. And not only that, don't just add 5 images. Add like as many as you possibly can. Don't get too crazy maybe, but add 100 images. I think we have 200 some images on our local listing. And if you look at the competition and you look at the difference, I'll show you guys here. All right, guys, so I'm actually logged in now to the back end of my Google My Business account. And as you can see, you can create post, add photo, you can create an ad. Every time we make a new blog post, guys, we post it within our Google thing here, and it shows up. Here it is, the latest post. So really what that looks like on the other end is if you go to Google, you type in Sandia Green Clean, our business here, right? And if you look down here on our Google page, right here, that's where these posts show up, okay? So it kind of just adds another element, another way for you to stand out. When people are searching your brand, they can see your page, they can see how many reviews, your pictures, they can see questions, they can see reviews from around the web. They pop up here, and then again, just these nice little posts. So if you're posting deals, if you're posting your blogs, all of our stuff. Again, it's just more content for Google because they love content. So just let's give them what they want, right? So, all right, so back into our back end here. Posts, photos, insights, reviews. Just want to show you guys how many photos we have in here. It's a lot, okay? And these were all SEO optimized, meaning we titled all these with a keyword. You know, what's interesting is we can actually see, click in here, home, it'll show you not only performance, which is really cool, over 2,000 views just the last 30 days, I think this is, searches, activity, let's see where that is. See if we can click into that. Nope. But anyways, it's pretty amazing analytics and insight, and normally there's a spot where they show you like how you compare to other businesses. I don't know exactly where that is. I think that's under the insights. We'll look at that. But really, guys, the most important thing on the back end of this is making sure this is all complete. A lot of people don't fully fill out all of your service areas and your believe it or not, hours or your description. This is super important. Put some keywords in there. How you stand out, whatever, your story. Check out these insights, guys. So, wow, you can see actual cleaning words. Like, this is hugely valuable. What are people using to find us? What are they searching? And then how many people are searching us directly, which means like searching our brand versus discovery, just searching like house cleaning Albuquerque like I was doing, branded. And then where customers view your business on Google, here's ours listing, and maps, listing on search. So, obviously more people, well, it's kind of even there, but anyways, just amazing analytics. What people are doing, calling us, visiting the website, even what zip codes, right? So it might tell us where the best customers are at, where most of our customers are finding us, things like that. So tracking phone calls, photo views, photo quantity. Look at this, guys. Businesses like you, look at our business. It's like off the charts, right? So we have almost 200 photos. The average business has 1 or 3. Like, this is so crazy, guys. So if all you do is just add a ton of photos to your maps listing, it's going to already make you stand out in Google, especially if you're optimizing those images, right, with the keywords. So just amazing, guys. This is also where you reply to reviews, okay? This is where you can upload more photos. You can add your website. You can create ads in here. I'm not going to go into that right now, but guys, the point is, make sure this is all complete. Make sure your listing is complete. Your description is in there, right? And then going back to just the listing here. So I want to give you one more really awesome tip, guys. This is going to totally help you stand out. I noticed when we started doing this to our maps, literally within a week or two, we started moving up almost to the top where we are now, okay? And the way we did it, guys, one of the biggest things that Google loves is reviews, okay? We have 142 reviews. We have 100 less than the top franchises in our area, which isn't that much less. We've only been in business for 3 years, guys, so you can catch these guys. You just got to put in some effort. Every time that we hire a new team, when they're brand new, we're training them. We ask friends and neighbors and teachers and whoever we can. We usually find 10 or 20 people that we can do a free house cleaning for in exchange for a review. And a handful of those people will actually ask them to go a little bit deeper and to not only give us a review, which, by the way, people love doing this. It's a reciprocity thing. We give them a free clean. They love giving a review. They're like, that's all? I can't believe it, Works tremendously well because you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're training your teams outside of real customers' houses in case they make a major mistake. And then you're also getting a review, which a review is worth so much, right? It's worth gold because for years and years to come, that review can provide more social proof to sell more of your products and services. So when you ask for those reviews, guys, here's the trick, okay? Ask for your customer to leave that review. Take a picture of their house. When the cleaning is done, take a picture or maybe a couple pictures of that cleaning in the house. And here's the kicker, guys. Because they've done that picture in their house, and you want to do this in a certain area. So like, let's say you want to show up in the maps in a certain area of town. So like when I search in my neighborhood for house cleaning Albuquerque, I want to make sure that we're at the top of the maps. We'll have a few of your neighbors clean their houses for free and ask them to leave a review with a picture, okay, on their smartphone. This is what happens. When they take a picture with their smartphone, guys, it is now geotagged, which is a weird tech term. Geotagged, meaning Google knows the location because the location services of that device. They knows the geographical area. Now when that image is uploaded with the review, it is super highly relevant because it now has a geographical tagged photo, which Google loves photos, loves images, it loves content. Now that photo is optimized for that geographical location, and hopefully it's coming from a 5-star review. So now Google's seeing 1 or maybe 2 or maybe 3 of these customers in a geographical area uploading a geocached, geotagged photo with a review for your business. And if they can sprinkle in a few keywords like best house cleaning Albuquerque or whatever your market is, on top of that, it'll make it go even further, guys. Because again, it makes it even more relevant. So guys, there's the trick. We've got more of those in the course. If you liked that, check out our marketing course. It's the 10X Toolkit, $1 million local business 10X Toolkit for growth. Check it out in the link in the video description or whatever. But we're going to share way more of this stuff in the course, guys. But if you thought that was cool, we've got more of that. So check it out. But this is the kind of stuff that's low-hanging fruit. It's a game changer. It's going to help you just stand out. Like, it's not hard to do in these local markets because a lot of the local competition just doesn't know. They just don't even know. Okay, so You guys know now, you have the knowledge, you are empowered with the knowledge, so go take action, go optimize your local listing, focus on content, focus on completing all that content in the Google My Business, focus on getting as many images on there, optimize those images, and focus on getting reviews. And if you can get some photo reviews in specific areas, that's going to help a ton, guys. So check it out. Optimize your Google My Business listing. I wish you guys all the best. Check out our course if you want to learn more of tips and techniques and strategies like this, and we'll see you guys on the inside. Keep it clean.